In part 4 of our at-home workout series, we're going to do a chest workout. This workout we're going to do exercises that are replicating exercises that you would do in the gym. We're going to do an exercise that is similar to the incline press, the bench press, and the fly. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 exercises that you really can't replicate with weights, but it's one that will definitely fatigue your pectorals in a way that you really don't get in the gym. Before we get started, we're going to want to do a quick warm-up. We're going to start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Okay, the next warm-up we're going to do is 30 seconds of high-low planks. And it's 30 seconds, so take your time. We're still just warming up. To get a full chest workout, you need to work all aspects of the chest, upper, middle, and lower, inner and outer, so every area of the chest. So we're going to start off with working the upper chest by doing decline push-ups. Basically what you need to do is find something to put your feet up on, to elevate your feet, and do a push-up. We're going to be shooting for 20 reps. So as you're shooting for 20 reps, you want to do 20 perfect reps. No matter how many sets it takes for you to do those 20 reps, whether it's 2, 3, 1, you want to make sure you're doing proper form on all of the reps. The second exercise we're going to do for chest will replicate the bench press. It'll be more of a replication of the dumbbell bench press, because when you're lying down on the bench using the bar, you can only go down so far. With dumbbells, you can actually go down a little bit further. So we're going to try and replicate that very extreme range of motion. So you need 3 pieces of equipment. It could be a couple of chairs, boxes, books. You just want to be able to increase that range of motion. And again, we're going to shoot for 20 reps. Whether it's in 1 set or 3, it's up to you. You want to shoot for 20 reps. Okay, that was 20 reps. Definitely increasing that range of motion. I certainly felt that quite a bit. The next exercise is very similar to the dip. What we're going to do is use the same two chairs, or same two objects. You'll get into a dip position, but you don't want to be too far forward because that starts to put more emphasis onto the triceps. You want to be a little bit further back, almost as if you're leaning forward. And again, shoot for 20 reps. Yeah, definitely starting to feel that now. Haven't used any weight yet. Definitely getting a good workout. The next couple of exercises, we aren't going to use any of our props. So I'll move these out of the way for now. This next exercise should replicate as closely as possible the cable fly or the dumbbell fly. The idea behind this one is to get in a wide stance push-up. You'll lower yourself down and with explosion, press yourself up, bringing your hands into a diamond push-up position directly under your body. Really squeeze your inner pecs as you're in the up position. So on that exercise, as you're bringing your arms in, you kind of want to give it a squeeze as you're in that top position, in that diamond push-up position. These last two exercises are the two exercises I mentioned in the beginning of the video that is very difficult to replicate using weight. So the first one is called the wiper, which you may have seen before. But you get down into a very low push-up position, and keeping your body very low to the ground, moving it back and forth. This new exercise, there really isn't a prescribed number of reps to do, because it's something that your body most likely has not become accustomed to. Go to failure. If you want to do a second set to failure, go for it, but I'm sure you'll find that it is a lot more difficult and something that your muscles are not used to performing. The second exercise is called the archer. It's very similar to the wiper, except that you're going to stay on one side and actually perform a push-up. The idea behind that is it will isolate and focus both the right and left side individually. So get into position again. Your hands will be out. You want your fingers to be spread so you've got the balance. Your arm not being used will be kept straight. And perform a push-up on each side. And then switch to the other side. All right, I recommend giving these a try. It's something that you'll probably find is a little bit more challenging than you would think. And if you wanted to try it, but don't quite have the strength, you could do the modified versions where you lower your knees down, taking a little bit of weight off of your upper body. And if you're lucky enough to find that it's a little bit more difficult, what you can do at that point is elevate your feet a little bit higher to increase the amount of weight that you're using for the upper body. Okay, that is one heck of a chest workout. I would encourage you to give it a try. I definitely had my eyes opened first couple of times I did this workout. It's a lot more challenging than you think. What's nice about it too is if you are lucky enough to still be able to go to the gym, you can incorporate these into your regular workouts using weights. You can superset them in, doing the archer or the wiper in between cable flies. So don't be afraid to get creative. Throw these into your normal workouts. I'm sure you'll be surprised at how much your strength improves, how much size that you can actually get from doing this without really using any weight. You'll also find that doing standard military push-ups will start to be a lot easier as well. So if you're one of those lucky few that gets to perform a fitness assessment once or twice a year, don't be afraid to incorporate this into your workout regimen. Like I showed you, it takes very little equipment to be able to do this type of a workout. And it really doesn't take very long either. Use this, improve your strength, improve your ability to do push-ups. You will not be disappointed. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I was going through my analytics and noticed that unfortunately 97% of the people that viewed my videos were not subscribers. A little bit of a disappointing number, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything to do it, and it certainly helps me out quite a bit. Do that, subscribe, click like if you liked the video, share it with your friends. Let's get out there and work out together, see if we can get through this and improve ourselves, improve our wellness, keep our minds sharp, and we will see you next time.